If your team follows the same multi-step processes in WordPress, you can turn those into guided workflows inside the WordPress admin. In AI Admin Assistance, workflows are managed as their own content type, which lets an end user walk through the process with screen-by-screen guidance. Simply go to Workflows, Add New. Give your workflow a name like publishing a new event. Add steps. Each step can include instructions, links, and context. You can also link each step to a specific admin screen so that users are guided through the WordPress admin and don't need to remember where to navigate themselves. Once published, users start the workflow directly from the AI Admin Assistance panel. As they navigate through WordPress, the workflow progresses with them. This is perfect for onboarding new team members, standardizing processes, and reducing mistakes. Instead of remembering what to do, users just follow the workflow. Get started today using the free version from WordPress.org or visit our website to learn more about the pro version.